Yo, it's Zayden Mac, bro. And I just want to tell y'all, bro, God is real. So if y'all go look at my last TikTok, right? Y'all seen that phone I had? The screen was green. This is the screen now, bro. You could tell the screen was green because look at the line, bro. Look at that, bro. God is real. I tried to tell y'all, bro. God is real, and bro. Y'all don't be believing me, but God is real, bro. Cause y'all could go look at my last TikTok I just post, bro, and the screen was green, bro. Like if you pause it, you will see the screen is fixed now. I was sitting here praying, bro. Like they're sitting here praying, and I look at the phone. The screen is like fixed. I don't know how, bro. Like I don't know what happened. Bro, I swear to you, the screen was just green. Like I don't know what happened, but God is real. So y'all better go open up y'all Bible, bro, and read it. This is like it really got me excited. Like I don't know, it's not even my phone, bro. This is my brother's phone. This is his 15. Y'all know I got the 16 Pro Max, but this is his 15, bro, and he left it here because some things happened and he broke his phone, bro, and this is God showing me that he's real. Go look at my last TikTok, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all think I'm lying. Bro, the screen of this phone was green, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all real stuff. God is real, bro. Get into the Bible, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, change y'all lives, bro, because God is real, bro. He is real. This is literally proof. The screen was green, bro. This is proof.